Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738 481382, and today we have a 2017 Mazda CX5 GT, stock reference number 3938. This shape runs from the 12th month 2017 and is the current shape. It has a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front. We have the right-hand fog light with surround. This vehicle's fitted with factory 19-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left power fold type mirror. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light. Left tailgate garnish. It's got an average bumper cover. It does have a few light scuffs. Still may be usable. Park sensor type. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Power lift type. Right hand tail light garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has two small dents and possibly a third to be inspected once removed. Right hand power door power fold mirror. And a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, power fold mirror type. This vehicle's fitted with black leather interior with orange stitching. It's got a black leather centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, dual zone heater controls, factory sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunroof and sunglass holder type, left sun visor, owner's manual, service book in a dealership case. Right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.